Ano po ang sagot?
I don't know him. Hindi ho.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Kasi kanina, habang nasa Zoom at biglang naputol, tinanong po natin si Colonel Acerto kung bakit siya wala sa Pilipinas. Ang sagot niya, dahil siya ay ipapapatay.
Saan po siya?
Wala sa Pilipinas.
Kaya nga, where is he?
Hindi po natin.
Baka alam mo.
Okay, anyway, tutuloy ko na lang po. According to Mr. President, hindi niya kilala si Jimmy Cuban at hindi niya kilala si Mark Taguba. Pero si Jimmy Cuban po ay former Custom Intelligence Officer at si Mark Taguba ay custom broker na siya po ay nagsabi na may nahuling 11 billion worth of shabu through magnetic lifters sa Port of Manila. At ang kasama doon po ay si Congressman Pulong Duterte, Attorney Manscarpio at Michael Yang. Okay. Ngayon, according po sa ating former President, Mr. Chair, kailangan daw nating ma-invite o ma-physical na tanungin yung mga involved na persons. Kaya may I manifest that we invite next hearing Mr. Jimmy Cuban and Mark Taguba and also Congressman Pulong Duterte and Attorney Manscarpio para personal niyang matanong kung ano ang sinasabi ni Mr. Jimmy Cuban at ni Mr. Mark Taguba regarding sa sinasabi na nahuli sa Port of Manila na 11 billion worth of shabu at 6.4 billion metal cylinders worth of drugs.
Mr. Chairman.
Before I recognize Congressman Paduano, there's a request of Congressman Bong Teves to invite the persons he mentioned and COMSEC, the whole secretariat of the Quadcom. Please take note and send invitations to the persons mentioned by Congressman Bong Teves. Before before you proceed, yes.
Chairman, just with due respect to Congressman Teves, this is just a matter of clarification. Kasi po, if giving due courtesy to a colleague in the House, we should not invite, I think it's just proper, Mr. Chairman, that we should not invite Congressman Pulong Duterte. He should be present voluntarily if he wants. Just giving due courtesy, Mr. Chairman, to a colleague in the House.
The COMSEC is directed to send notice to our colleague, Congressman Pulong Duterte, to attend the next committee hearing of the Quadcom. So, please proceed, Congressman Bong Teves.
The next question po, Mr. Chairman. According to our former Senator Trillanes, piki ang war on drugs ng ating dating Pangulo. Bakit po kaya sinabi na piki in war on drugs? Siguro pwede nating tanungin si former Senator Trillanes, bakit nasabing piki ang kanyang war on drugs ng mga nakaraang administrasyon?
Have you taken your oath, former Senator Trillanes? Please administer the oath first of Senator Trillanes before we ask him questions.